Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. It's not giant, but I did find some fun stuff. So let's get started, shall we? I tried the banana. It's good. It tastes like a banana Laffy Taffy, which I like. So I grabbed another box of those. I picked up a box of the strawberry peach because I like that for summer. Okay, I grabbed this, and I don't know if this will fit my remote or if it's just for Roku, because it says suitable for most Roku. I don't have a Roku. I have a Fire Stick, but I think this will fit and it'll go good in my bedroom because it glows in the dark, and I always end up falling asleep with the remote in my bed and then I can't find it. So I grabbed this, thought it was super cute. Some French's mustard, because yeah, we all need the mustard. I got these for 2 upcoming trips. These are the Be Pure. These are just pre-packaged, so like individually packaged hand wipes, antibacterial. Yeah, antibacterial hand wipes. I like these especially for air travel, because they're not considered a liquid and they're just in a little pouch. So I'm gifting some too, but I just slip them in my backpack with my like stain stick and stuff. And then if anything should happen, and because this is antibacterial, I believe there's alcohol in here. You can also use these as stain wipes in a pinch, but I have the stain wipes. So I got this for travel. I've got a couple trips coming up. I actually wiped down my whole seating area. I grabbed these, just a pack of 30 Band-Aids. I think they're fabric. I hope they're fabric. Yeah, it says they're breathable. When I get my fingers get cuts on them, like cracks from the weather, these are good. Oh, cute. It's like a little first aid tin, which is fine, but it just comes with a bunch of generic Band-Aids, all one size. But these I use on my fingertips, and I was out. So I like that. Also good for travel, if you need something like that. I'm trying to sort here. For some goodie bags that I'm putting together, I grabbed for my cousin some man moisturizer, and my other cousin some lady moisturizer. If they want to bring it, I'm just going to throw these in our little travel bags that I'm putting together. And I will do a video soon of what I'm putting in these bags. All right, let's do that. And then I have a trash bag. I grabbed this. I'm not exactly 100% sure what it is. It says sculpting gel for brows, which I think I like that idea. Okay. And I did get the brushes. Okay. It's gel, but it's clear. Perfectly clear and lightweight. It is, there's really no smell to it, but it's just gel. So there's no color, which is what I like. So I wanted to try. That's exciting. And I already have the spoolies for my eyebrows that I got at Dollar Tree a while ago. I haven't seen them since, but I like them. And then these are new stickers. They're like clear and shiny. Let me take them out, one out. And my mom's birthday is in April, and she loved yellow tulips. So I wanted this. I'm just going to add 1 or 2 to my April planner. Okay, see? Like, and they're kind of thick. I like them. These would be great on wood as well, and then Mod Podge maybe over it just to make them stick. And then I just grabbed these also for maybe May, because I like those. Some of this stuff I already brought up here and did something with, but you might those. Oh, these April Spa. These are soap bags. So if you use bar soap or like travel shampoo, but you can put your bar soap in here and then it's an exfoliator, but you leave the soap in the bag. And then you... Now, if you're traveling with shampoo or conditioner bars, you can hang them in here and they'll dry. There is a lot of excess fabric. But you can hang your bar soaps in here and the air will get to it and it will dry so they don't get mushy. And then this is more of an exfoliating one, which I thought was really cool because you could just, but you just leave and then you just hang this in your shower and your soap doesn't dissolve. I thought these were fun. I do have shampoo bars and conditioner bars. I grabbed this for my sink. We're gonna try it out. The brand is Emusa. I saw them in this green and a blue. So you hang this, like I have a double-sided sink, and then I can stick my sponges in here and it keeps them out of the way. We'll see if I like it. It was $1, so I'm not mad if I don't. And then it drains so they don't get, you know, gross. And in my case, they end up in my dang dishwasher. In my disposal. And then yeah. Oh, and then I found this. They're coming out with this products, or picked up these products, a lot of eco-friendly. So this says it is oil absorbing, decreases inflammation, skin restoring, naturally sourced wheat straw rolling thing, facial roller. Now, I don't have oily skin. I actually have extremely dry skin. I've been putting Aquaphor on my face every night because it helps. I have a stick and I just smear it. So let's see what's happening here. Okay. So it comes in this little eco-friendly container. Well, what happened? Oh, there we go. Okay. You can take the ball out and, so if you're oily, you can just rub this on your face and it absorbs the oils, and then you can take it out, pop the ball out, wash it, and then it goes back together. Isn't that neat? We'll try it. That's all we can do is try the things, right? Oh, I need to take this to work. I have some colleagues' birthdays that are coming up, and I will decorate desks. So I thought this was fun for one person. It is technically a mini piñata. I honestly don't know how you open it and put candy in it, because it doesn't tell me. It has this to hang it. Oh, wait. To fill, cut here. Okay, so you cut through the paper and then you can fill it. I'm not going to fill it. I'm just going to sit it on her desk for birthday. So it's just fun. They have a lot of those. Also, I found this, and I'm not sure if I'm going to take it to work or not. But I've never seen these before, and I found literally one. But it's a hoop. You set it up, and then you attach balloons to it. But I was thinking it would almost be fun to make like a flower piece. like centerpiece for Easter or spring and put greenery around it instead and like an Easter scene. I don't know. But for $1.25, it's not giant, but I thought it would be fun. So I grabbed that. I want to do some spring decoupaging, and I found some tissue paper that I thought would be perfect. Yeah, so I'm going to do a Easter little DIY. So I grabbed that. Oh, I got a snack I forgot to eat, and then some more of the sugar-free chocolates. I like to keep it in my cabinet, and I just have a piece here and there, but I get nervous that they won't have anymore. Actually, I should. Here, this is for work. For birthdays. All right. And then just one more little bag. If you have an air fryer with a basket, these are great. They're parchment paper liners. I use them all the time, and then I don't have to wash my air fryer all the time. So you just sit. Now, don't preheat with these in there because it will catch them on fire. I know. Because of the convection. But once you're ready to cook, you put your food on here and stick it in the air fryer, and it keeps everything clean and tidy. And for $1.25, you get a 20 pack. And they do have the larger sizes, but this size fits in my air fryer. So, although I might be able to get the bigger one in. I should check. Next time I'll buy the bigger one. But this one comes with 20. I think the other one comes with 15. So that's just for house. And then I found this gel mask situation. For your face. They had 2 different kinds. I want to smell it. This one here is Mango Papaya Superfruit Face Mask. Heals and restores damaged skin, which I have, like from my chemo treatment and stuff. And this is attached, so I'm going to pop it off. Neat. Oh, you just pull it out. Never mind. But I want to smell this. Maybe. Oh, it's a screw off. Lori probably should. That's nice. Okay, I like that a lot. It smells really good. I assume it has directions, but they're tiny. I'll have to make the directions bigger, but I'm assuming you smear it on and then wash it off. But I grabbed one of those. I think people are looking for these because on TikTok, I've seen the people that buy everything they see. Like they buy the whole entire box of stuff, which I do find kind of rude. I'm just going to say. Like I don't try to buy everything. And then these are salt and pepper shakers for Easter, which I think are totes adorable. And you get a little bunny and a little carrot. Are these not adorable? I just want to stick them out. I don't need to put salt and pepper in them. I'm just going to sit them out, like on my stove. We need a thumbnail. Here, how do I hold these? Maybe like this. Perfect. But I think they're cute. And they are functional salt and pepper shakers. Now, check them closely. Like this one is kind of rough, like the glaze. It didn't get glazed. I'm not using them, so I don't care. But super cute. So that is everything I got this time at the Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoy. I want to take the Dollar Tree chick in a shell that I got and decoupage it and then make a little something cute. With that, put this away, and that is everything. So I hope you enjoy, and I will talk with you later.